In our previous video, we listed the top 3 mobile applications for home workouts. In the description below, you can find the link to that video. In this video, we are going to introduce the FitOn application. We will review the most important features and settings in the free version of this app. To start with, install the app, sign in, create a profile, and do the initial setup. First, let's see how to find your preferred workout. Go to Workout and scroll down to On Demand. Here, you can choose the category you want. If scrolling further down, you can also choose based on other criteria such as body target area, exercise time, or intensity. At the end of the page, you can also find workout from celebrity or trainer. Let's see an example. Go to No Equipment category. Click on Intensity and choose Low Intensity. Then you have the list of available sessions based on the chosen criteria. Let's have a look at the newbie hit. Here, you can set the reminder to do the session later. You can invite your friend to do the same exercise, or just start immediately. Click on the Start to see the video. The trainer will show you the exercises and guide you during the session.
2 and 1. Here we go. Quick feet. I'm doing more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, pop. 3, 4, hit.
You can also mirror the video on your TV.
What's the option? 1, 2, step.
There are also live sessions. Go to Workout, then Upcoming. Here, you can see all the upcoming sessions and can register for them, or even invite your friends to join. There is also an automated training program suggested for you. This will be shown at the top of the For You page. The one you see now is based on the initial inputs during the app setup, but you can adjust and then restart again. For that, go to the top right and then change your preference and hit Restart. There will be a new program automatically generated based on these inputs. There are a lot of challenges available. You can join and also invite your friends to join. You can track your records and achievements by going to the top left menu. Here, you can also see all the scheduled exercises, either the one you have selected manually or the upcomings based on the started training plan. There are a lot of useful and inspiring videos and articles in these applications. For this, go to Advice.
Hey everybody, Brianne here. Now I'm going to talk about something that I think a lot of you are going to want to know, and that is how to recruit your glute muscles better.
You can also find such materials when you go to the individual trainers or celebrities.
Staying motivated during quarantine is a daily challenge.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if there is anything you want to add, please leave that in the comments below.